Hey, come down. Come, put your hands up. Let me see your hands. 194, I've got him out back. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Ground on your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach. 194, he's running out the rear. Stop!
On April the 24th, 2022, at approximately 3:53 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were at a house on South Harris Avenue on a call from some 4-year-old children stating that their father would not wake up.
There's 2 little boys outside alone, 4 years old, and their dog's outside, and they said their dad won't wake up and he's upstairs in the bedroom.
While the officers were in the house trying to make contact with the man who was in upstairs bedroom, for an unknown reason, he decided to climb out of an upstairs window onto a small roof. The officers tried to contact him outside and he ran back inside, causing a bit of a standoff. After a short period of time, the man decided he was going to climb back out through the window, and at the prompting of an officer, jumped to the ground, but instead of following the officer's commands, he decided to take off running. The reason for this, he had some felony warrants. The rest, they say, is history.
Phil!
Hey, you want to check another car? Copy, name on 60. You were pulling up?
Yeah, he keeps coming out of this 7A on the front side and then going back in. Phil, come out and talk to us. You're not in trouble right now.
193 to 192, you guys the real good location.
Yeah, 194 is in the back. I'm out front. He keeps coming out of a 7A on the second story, up on the roof, in and out. And we're trying to get him to come out. Phil, you're not in trouble. Just come out and talk to us.
Good.
We're looking at a 24 for diabetic issues.
Copy. I'm 94, I've got him out back.
Hey, come down. Come, put your hands up. Let me see your hands. 194, I've got him out back. Get on the ground. Get on the ground on your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach. 194, he's running out the rear. Stop!
Black, his underwear, light skin. That's gonna go southbound on his towel. They go back towards the alley, 194. He's full, towards dreadlocks, run back towards the alley and then going southbound. Going back east now, and then come south in the alley. Oh, he's hiding behind this garage. He's heading back towards.
Hey, get on the ground! 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 Get on your stomach! Put your hands behind your back!
Hands behind your back!
Put your hands behind your back! Go cuff him. NGL like you're praying.
So 145 South Peg in the rear of, roughly. Copy, thank you.
Dude, you're not in trouble or anything. We're trying to figure out what's going on with you.
Oh.
Your kids are saying you're not waking up.
I told you on the radio.
You didn't tell me.
Dude, I told you on bed.
I was up front.
Huh?
Y'all there running for no reason.
Shit, somebody came through my motherfucking window.
Are you guys secure?
Get them on the side.
Roll one side towards me.
K-9-7, I'll make code 4 off the 57.
Sit up. Sit up on your butt.
Damn.
You need a medic, my man?
Huh?
Need a medic?
Nah, yeah. Well, I just walked out on it. What the fuck going on?
You got warrants or something?
Huh?
You got warrants or something?
Nah,
Are you Chris or Phil?
I'm Phil.
Okay.
Plus, we were just inside checking on you.
Your kids were
Oh.
outside, and the neighbors found your kids, and your kids were saying you weren't waking up.
Oh, yeah.
We were worried if you were like alive or what.
Rated 152, 153.
Take anything, Phil? You use
Nah.
anything? How about we have a medic check you out just to make sure, okay?
I'm good.
Well, how about we start him and then you can tell him that you're okay, right?
Feet are all blooded up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
go
go ahead and stand them up and put them in the back of my cruiser.
Drop his regular to honeycrisp.
What the kids do over there? Yeah, they're in the house next door with the neighbors. You want them?
We're at 148 South Peg.
What's that?
We're at 148 South Peg. Okay.